Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Just got this brand new radio Radtel RT730. It's really interesting radio with the long antenna. On the bottom of the radio you can see the USB-C charging port. This radio has a color screen, 2 PTT buttons, 2 functionality buttons. This radio looks like a Motorola. And on top of the radio you can see the knob. It's really comfortable to use when you want to change the frequencies or some functions of the radio. Let's see closely. This radio came in this box. Inside the box you can find the user manual, this belt clip and charging station with this connector. The capacity of the battery 2500 milliamps, voltage 7.4 volts. Actually you can charge the battery separately from the radio. For charging battery of the radio you can use the USB-C port. This port used almost everywhere. Currently the battery of the radio charging in the car. The red light sign of the process of charging. When the battery will be charged, this lamp will be green. When the charging is finished you will see this green light. The frequency band of the radio, I just try to select 10 megahertz. Let's check until the 300 megahertz, and after 300 until 630. Really interesting radio with wide band receiver.
Anche a te, buona giornata, Costantino.
Piratson.com. This radio has FM radio. Just press this button and listen to the music. Currently I'm not far from the airport. Let's check the airband reception using this long antenna. This antenna works on 2 bands. Let's see closely to each of them. On 2 meters band this antenna has these parameters. Let's see to the 70 centimeters band parameters. 70 centimeters band antenna works perfectly on PMR band, 446 megahertz.
Out of operation, repair in progress. Bird strike has been takeoff and landing area. Wind 260 degrees 3 meters per second. Okay, temperature -10. Dew point -12.
Let's stop the engine.
QH 1020. Music. Acknowledge information. Mic.
In my case, the weather alert channels assigned to this button, switching between A and B. Just press A, B button, channel V4 changes using this button. For locking keyboard, just long press this button. For unlock, the same button. For each button some functions are predefined. To change the transmission power, long press this button and select and confirm. SQL, enter, select and confirm and exit. The color screen of the radio really nice. Let's see menu of the radio. First Roger end of the transmission, begin of the transmission, none. Let's select without the Roger, backlight, timing, power save, takes power high, mid, low. SQL, lots of levels. Let's select 1. Oh no, let's select 5. Next, beep. When you press the buttons, you can hear the noise. Narrow and wide bandwidth. Steps. This radio has a lot of steps of changing the frequencies. TDR, it means when you use this function, you can receive 2 frequencies on the screen. RT SSS, subtones. For changing, you need to press this button. That's off. Scrambler, language, busy lock, voice offset, voice on, like above thing. Offset SD, channel name, channel NRX, LCD, takes LCD. When you transmit and receive, LCD, auto lock, Vox gain, Vox delay, warn type, FMRX, FM store channel, delete channel, functionality of the buttons for short press and long press. Let's check the functionalities. Not much, but enough.
Testing the microphone of the radio Radtel RT730, 730. Testing. Audio.
Let's catch the frequency of the radio. If we don't know the frequency or some parameters and have the radio without the screen, we can just check the frequency using PTT transmission button and functionality of the radio. Just long press this button and transmit. All success, and we can store the channel. Here you are. Now let's check the maximum transmission power of the radio. 2 meters band around 11 watts, 0.7, 0.6, almost 12 watts. Onto 70 centimeters band, 10.7, around 11 watts. 220 megahertz, 7.3. 446, around 8 watts.